The VeeFriends Series 2 minting dates have been released, the 15 new characters have been revealed, and the BookGames floor is breaking records. I'm Busy NFT, and you're watching All Things Web3. VeeFriends minting dates have been released, and April is busy.
That means two things.
A quick reminder, I'm not a financial advisor, and this is not financial advice. There are 5 ways to get your VF2, beginning with the friends list. The fun starts with the friends list snapshot on April 5th at 1 p.m. Eastern, where owning a BookGames NFT gives you a 28% chance to be selected to mint. If you own one of the 32,000 BookGames tokens selected, you'll have from April 12th to April 24th to mint, paying $995 in ETH plus gas on OpenSea. The VF2 character will contain a random pose and background of an updated VF1 character. If you happen to own a VeeFriends Series 1, you'll be able to claim your free plus gas VF2 in the exclusive evolving pose, beginning on April 12th. If you buy a VF1 after this date, you will be able to check and determine if the VF2 has been claimed or not. This can and should impact the value and price of this NFT. The public mint starts on April 25th and is expected to sell out in minutes. There will be an additional public auction of VF2 characters, excluding the new characters, in the yet-to-be-revealed new spectacular form. It has not yet been confirmed that the new spectacular is gunmetal. After the public mint, all of the minted VF2s, both friends list and public, will be revealed. No one will know what they have minted until this time. A lot of people may try to sell their VF2s on OpenSea before they even know what they have. It'll be very interesting to see what the market price for these will be. Imagine getting a very lucky black cat for cheap. Worse, imagine selling one and not knowing it. Even worse, imagine watching my videos and not being subscribed. You should do that. The 4th method for getting a VF2 is the burn sale, where you exchange sets of BookGames tokens for one of the 15 new characters created for Series 2. This starts on April 27th and runs for 16 days. Some things surprised us this week in regard to the burn sale, and some didn't. First, the burn sale is actually a daily raffle drawing for qualifying sets of BookGames tokens. If you have the required frames, you are entered into a drawing where 214 winners will get the chance to burn their BookGames for a new character. If you don't win a raffle spot, you don't have to burn your tokens. On day 1, Patience Lava goes first, but it's an entire set of 5 Patient Lava tokens with any frame. Last I heard, only 160 wallets had 5 Patient Lava tokens. This guarantees the holders the new character Mindful Minakawa. Second, day 4 and day 14 allow for any 5 frames to participate. This is huge, as your set of frames can work for whichever day calls for them, as well as 2 additional days. Thus, if you only have one set of 5 matching frames, you have at least 3 chances to participate in the burn raffle. You must have the qualifying frames on the day the raffle takes place, but if you're selected, you don't have to burn your frames until May 31st of 2022. This means you should absolutely hold your frames and participate in the burn sale at every opportunity. Even if you win a raffle spot in the first few days, hold your tokens and re-enter them for consideration on day 4, which is May 30th, and day 14, which is June 10th. Finally, you can wait to purchase VF2s on the secondary market, but it's anyone's guess what the price will be. I can almost guarantee it will be higher than the mint price of $9.95. The BookGames floor is at its highest level ever, and there are a ton of opportunities out there. I'd love for you to comment below and let me know what your best strategy idea is in this moment. I think it wouldn't be the worst idea to grab a Koala 2025. Some have fallen below 4 ETH, and that's just crazy. Even though the BookGames floor is rising, it's still very early. We expect 15 to 17,000 tokens to be burned this month alone, and that's going to drive the rest of the token's values higher. Don't miss today's opportunities. Web3 is the future. BookGames is forever. Thank you for watching. We'll see you guys next time. Here you are. Welcome back. Just been thinking about a strategy lately. It's been really hard to offload some of these higher end frames, and I think there's going to be a short-term market for those soon, say second week in June. If you can list around the floor, maybe you can offload some of these and then be on the lookout for some VF2 mistakes. And there will be mistakes. Are you paying attention?